I'm Mrs Baker. I work at Nottingham High Infant Junior School. I'm head of Key Stage 1 and I'm a Year 1 teacher. Today we're going to be making some magic potions just like this one. To make your magic potions you will need these things at home. You would need a plastic bottle, not a glass one, a plastic one so it's really safe with a lid. You will need some food colouring. I've got here red, yellow, blue and green. I've got a pipette so it doesn't stain my fingers. You will need some clear PVA glue and you will need lots of glitter. I've got here lots and lots of glitter and some sequins. So let's make a magic potion. First of all, you need to get your plastic bottle and take the lid off. Then I'm going to half fill the plastic bottle with water. Here we go. I'm going to colour my water with some green food colouring. You have to be very, very careful with this and maybe you need an adult to help you. Here we go. Put some green in here. Look at that. And then I'm going to put my lid on and give it a shake so I can make sure I'm happy with the colour. Oh, that looks amazing. Now I'm going to add my favourite part is the glitter. What colour shall I choose? I think I'm going to go for a bit of silver in there first. Again, you might need to ask someone to help you. Ooh. So you can choose whatever colours you like, and I might go for a bit of blue. Let's go. There we go. It's going to look gorgeous. There we are. Okay, now I'm going to add a bit of the magic ingredient, which is the clear PVA glue. Now the more glue you add, the slower the magic will happen in our glass bottle. Here we go. I'm going to add quite a lot. Okay. There we go. And then I'm going to fill it to the top with the rest of the water. For my final touch of my magic potion, I'm going to add some sequins, and you can choose carefully which colours you're going to put in. I think I'm going to put in some nice silver ones, and these will float on the top of my magic potions. There we go. Right, now I'm going to put my lid on and give my magic potion a shake. Now I'm going to just put a bit of sellotape around my lid to stop the water coming out. Here we go. Right, here we go. Let's turn it upside down. Give it a good old shake. And there we have it. There's my magic potion. All the glitter and all the sequins. I hope you've enjoyed watching me making the magic potions. If you want to have a go at making these at home, please send your photos or tag us at @NottsHighIJS. Thanks for watching.